Hello subs. Okay, today's video, I think the one that I'm going to do today is the slats. I added additional slats into my kitchen on the bottom parts of each cabinet, which I'll show you. And then in my office, I did a wall in my office. And yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. And possibly other items that I need to take care of in this house is continue with those doors. I've decided that I don't want to leave the wood. I had to live with it for a while. I left some wood parts, natural wood parts on the doors. But I decided I'm just going to paint it all black. I don't like it anymore, so yeah, I'm going to paint it black. And a lot of touch-ups to finally finish that. And of course, I need to finish that back door. I don't know what I want to do with that thing. I put white paint on. It was pink. I lived with it for 4 years, maybe longer. But I painted it white. It has a chalkboard, area so I can make notes, write down groceries if I need something at the store. I can jot it down on the board. And I framed it out. I didn't like the frame that I did originally, so I took that off. And I decided to, trim it out again. I didn't like that, so I took that off. So it is what it is right now, but still don't like that. So I'm going to leave that door for last because I'm not sure what I want to do with that thing. Also, I painted it, a portion of it, Accessible Beige by Sherwin-Williams. I'm not sure about that either. I'm not sure what color I want to paint that door, but it needs a pop of color because I really don't want to paint it black. I have a lot of black going on around here, and that door needs something different. So like I said, it's going to be a while with that door. I'll get around to it at some point. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. And I'll see you on my next DIY project. Alright, take care, bye. I was trying to figure out what to do with these extra slats. I have 4. 2 I bought for in the kitchen area. But here, I think I want to put it right in here. I considered this, but no, I don't want to interfere with my background wallpaper. So I'm going to put it here. Yeah. Just have it propped up against the wall. What I'm going to have to do is move this curtain thing over a little bit, I believe. But I'm going to do this side first. I might not have to do that first, but I'm going to put this one up first, see if I need to shift that over a little bit, the rod. Now I'm taking it all the way to the ceiling. So it's going to be a little gap down here, which is fine because I'll have my stuff underneath there. That doesn't matter, but I need to do something with them, so I'm going to use them here. I had considered using some construction adhesive, which is normally what they do, and I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let me see if I can find it. I have some here, stashed back here. This is forever a construction zone around here. Okay. Yeah. I have some construction adhesive here. And I'm going to go ahead and just, actually, there's a way to snip this on this thing. For a long time, I didn't even realize you could cut it from here. But before I do that, let me turn everything around. I still have to paint the ceiling one day the same color as the wall, what they call drenching. I'm not painting the baseboards though, but the wall and the ceiling will be the same color whenever I get around to it. Now I'm going to flip these around and I'm going to do one at a time, of course. I'll put this one to the side and I'm going to go ahead and put the construction adhesive on this one and put it on the wall and then screw it in. It's the proper way to do it. At least that's the way I see them do it when I look at it on YouTube or Pinterest. You see me doing this? Not too much. I'll stop this thing. My office is a mess as usual. Now let me get all my screws out. Hope these are long enough to go through. Excuse my booty. I didn't realize these compression leggings that I have on, you could see my underwear. You see I have some left, so possibly when I cut the ones for in the kitchen, it'll be enough to go here. Otherwise, I'm not worried about that because I'm going to have decor stuff here. I just mainly wanted to cover this wall because this wall is just beat up. Looking at it, the curtain rods I think need to be up so it can balance out the top. Or either I'll put some molding up there, I'm not sure. And here's where I put it in the kitchen. I have to polish it up, of course. I basically put it on each end of the cabinets. No more slats. I think I'm overdoing it at this point. I'm done.